Hello. Don't mind my blemish here. Moon cycle soon. It always comes around that time. I want to start by saying that I am not going to engage with the comments anymore. My channel is here to enlighten those on their awakening, ascension journey, and starseed paths. My videos will help those seeking help. I do not do these videos to entertain or manipulate people. I'm honest, upfront, and open. Those who subscribed years ago saw a different version of me, and they have formed ideas about me that are not reality. They also need to know that vibrating at a lower frequency is not an insult or an attack. It's enlightenment. If someone is offended by me telling them they need to wake up and raise their vibrations, that is an issue with them, not me. I'm coming from a place of love and light. I'm not coming from a place of hatred, anger, and aggression. I am vibrating at a slightly higher frequency, but I'm not where I'm going or even close to where I'm going. I still have lots of soul trials to go through. I've been attacked by a few people recently. I'm not at all expecting it to stop. I've known walking the light healing path would be very hard and sometimes dangerous. That's okay. What I'm doing is bigger than my ego, bigger than being selfish. I'm sure Jesus never second-guessed his path. Another thing I'd like to address is that I have had a horrible life. I've had lots of bad experiences. I've lied, I've stolen, I've hurt people, and I've learned from it. I've learned that most people will fall into two categories. The first, supporters, who want you to be happy and be at peace. The second, trollers or hunters, who want to see you struggle and hurt because of whatever dark, insidious forces are attached to them. I will not tolerate hate, anger, or aggression on my channel. This is a place of peace and light, and where light beings can come to learn and not be judged. Therefore, anything not with love and light will be immediately deleted. I'm not doing this for followers or views. I'm doing this because I was called to duty. I am happy to be doing this, and even with the attacks I've gotten, I won't stop. I won't be silenced. And above all, no matter what you say to me or how you attack me, I love you all. Even the haters, I love you too. I wish you well. I wish you light. I hope you wake up and become part of the family of light. Until then, victory to the light. Namaste. Mwah.